All right, folks. This is what I mean, I think my wife is beautiful and women are beautiful, but I also find that right there to be beautiful. That is the FLIGHTLINE Corsair 1.6 meter. One incredible, beautiful flying warbird. It's Warbird Wednesday. Let's take her up and have some fun. Got a 5,000 Turnigy, pushed all the way, 5,000 6S. Turnigy pushed all the way forward. All right, let's get back here a little bit. Right, left, up, down, right, left. That great big prop. I think that's, yeah. See, she got thrust reverse, but she doesn't need it. Big split flaps. Hoping I have enough. It's kind of dark. Let me get down here to the better position. Timer set for 8.5 minutes, but we're not going to fly that full time.
Timer reset.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Stay on that rudder. Nice scale takeoff. I still don't have the call audio for the gear down, gear up.
Time remaining 8 minutes.
Fly around with the flaps down for just a little bit. All right, they're back up now. Oh, that's beautiful.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, gears down. I didn't like it. Try it again. You don't want to fly around with your flaps down for too long. It's kind of hard on the flaps hinges.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
Whoa, well, she dropped there for a second. I got too slow. All right, got too slow. All right, take off flaps. I'm gonna try from down there. Or take off from down there. Them doors are still closing, so you gotta pay attention to how long it takes. Man, what a beautiful plane. Beautiful plane. You know, talk about, to me, the perfect stress relief, this right here. other than obvious stuff.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
All right. Gear is coming down. Didn't like it, go around. I think I'll land with no flaps this time. Turn around there. Takeoff flaps. Starting to get kind of dark.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Oh man, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. All right, let me make a pass picture. My gear is down. Nope. Nope.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I got one gear not wanting to come down. Oh man, I'm going to damage this plane.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Nope, I got one gear not coming down. I'm going to have to belly land her. Dang it. Oh man. All right, emergency landing, folks. Here we go. We're going to land her in the grass. Try to mitigate as much damage as possible. Man. Probably broke a prop, but that's all I broke other than what was going on with the gear. Man, that's too bad. Well, I'm near that anthill too. Motor off. Okay. Pull up out of that. Okay, the prop's fine. All right. Now watch me get it back to the bench and the gear will be fine. All right. Let's get her back and get a battery report and see what kind of damage we've got. All right, we're back. Now, believe it or not, there is no damage to the belly. Flaps are fine. Just got a little grass up in there. Ailerons are fine. Watch this gear work now. Yep, this one here. This one's binding up somewhere. Tail's working fine. So I don't know. Somehow it got bound up there. Yeah, it's getting... Alright, we'll have to take it home, obviously, and figure out what's binding in there. It's a little loose, but nothing else is broken. Worst case scenario, I may have to replace this gear if I can't figure out what's binding. It's catching somewhere. May just be these door catching somewhere on the inside here. But we'll have to figure it out, obviously. And did not break the prop. So let's get this plane turned around. Did not break the prop. I got a couple of spare, but you can replace each blade individually. So that's nice. But didn't break the prop. So I'm going to consider that a very successful. Actually, a low idle there. What I'm looking for right now is a deviation, and she's locked in. It's not vibrating one way or the other. So, all right. So, okay, all we gotta do is worry about the gear. Now, it may be several weeks before I get, because I got so many planes and so many projects. But I'll put this on the back burner for a little bit. Then I'll come back, address the gear, and then I'll come back and do a new flight with it, and we'll talk about what happened with the gear. But I got a lot of Christmas projects and stuff I got to get done first as far as the planes go. And but I will follow up on the gear. All right, let's see how much time we had left. I was going to fly for another minute or so, but that gear down. 63%. So I'm going to say that was a pretty good emergency landing. You know, when you're going to do a belly land like that with a warbird or any plane where you're supposed to have gear, you're going to bring it in as level as possible and absolutely get it to almost stall speed, and then just let the tail flare, let the tail kind of slap you on the ground. It's better to kind of let the front slap a little bit than to try to bring it in level, and then you're going to just too much speed. I would rather try to time it to where you're right before stall and just kind of let her set down. Mitigate as much damage as possible. And didn't break a prop, and all my linkages are fine. Everything's working other than the one gear keeps hanging up, and that might just be a simple adjustment. So all right, well, there you go, folks. That is we already checked the battery. That is the F4U Corsair by FLIGHTLINE. But these are things that happen, and you have to be prepared and know how to handle it when it happens, because it's going to happen. These are man-made, okay? They're not perfect. They're gonna run into snags. This is one of the reasons why you need to, off camera or before you fly, cycle your gear a couple of times and make sure everything's working, okay? Don't wait till you get it in the air and then say, oh, my gear is not working. Well, I cycled the gear before I went out, and I knew it was working, but something must have caught whenever I was taxiing or something, and maybe something blew up in there, or there was enough vibration to whatever was getting misaligned worked its way in there. And you can't plan for everything, but you do the best you can to prevent things. So planning does help. So, all right, well, thank you so much for watching. God bless y'all. Don't forget faith, family, and friends. And that's the F4U Corsair by FLIGHTLINE and from Motion RC. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.